Welcome to AYS Math channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 6 from paper June 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. June 2022, question number 6 is, given that 2xy minus 3x squared equals to 50 and y minus x cubed plus 6x equals to 0, show that. So this should be our answer. Okay, let's solve a part. Let's copy down the question here. Okay, so 2xy minus 3x squared equals to 50 and y minus x cubed plus 6x equals to 0. So I can make y the subject here, x cubed minus 6x. So let's substitute value of y in here. So 2x into y is x cubed minus 6x minus 3x squared equals to 50. Simplified, 2x raised to power 4 minus 2 6 are 12x squared minus 3x squared minus 50 equals to 0. Our answer should be in this form. Okay, so 2x raised to power 4 minus 15x squared minus 50 equals to 0. So this is done. B part is hence solve the simultaneous equation. Solve the simultaneous equation, it means that I have to do a quadratic here, because this whole thing is 2x raised to power 4 minus 15x squared minus 50. So if I do the factorization here, if I use a calculator, so 2 and then minus 15 and then negative 50, I'll get here one value, I'll get here 10 and another value I'll get here minus 5 over 2. Okay, but these values for x, not for x, these are the values for x squared, because we have x raised to power 4 here, okay, and x squared here. So these are the values for x squared. So I can do here, I can find here x. Okay, so this would be take a square root on both sides. So this would be root 10 or positive negative, and this is negative 5 over 2. So this square root is not possible. Okay, so we will reject it and I will ignore this value, right? So if x is plus minus 10, let's say if x is root 10, then y is, what is y? We got y equals to x cubed minus 6x. Let's substitute here. If x is root 10, then substitute its value, and which is 10 raised to power 3 over 2 minus 6, and this is root 10, which is root 1 over 2. Okay, which is 10 raised to power 1 over 2, sorry. So from here I can simplify it. I can take 10 common. I can take 10 raised to power 1 over 2 common. So what is left? 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 and minus 1 over 2, because I'm factorizing it. So 10 raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 10 raised to power 1 over 2. So when it divides, we subtract the powers. So which is 2 over 2, and that is 1. So 10 is left over with power 1 minus 6. So 10 raised to power 1 over 2 has taken out common. So 6 is left. So I have 10 raised to power 1 over 2 and 4. So it means I can write it as 4 into root 10. So y here is 4 root 10. So for the next, when x is minus root 10, we will do the same process again. So y equals to minus root 10 raised to power minus 3 over 2 minus 6 into 10 raised to power 1 over 2. I'm substituting in y. So so let me check. 6 negative root 10. Yeah, okay. Let me rewrite it again because it's confusing here. So I have x cubed minus 6x, okay? So x is minus root 10. This is and a bracket on it, and minus 6, and then I have negative root 10. Now this makes sense. It's cubed, so negative will remain as it is. Okay, so negative negative is positive, and this will be this will be 6 root 10. Right, now I can write it as 10 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 6 10 raised to power 1 over 2. So what do I take common? I can take common minus 10 raised to power 1 over 2, the same procedure that I did in the first part. So this will be positive 10 and this will be negative 6, and that is minus 4 10 root 10. Okay, so these are the values for x and y. Okay, let's write down here for the first value root 10 and 4 root 10, and for the second value I can write it down minus root 10 and negative 4 root 10. Right, this was question number 6 from paper June 2022 Pearson Edexcel IAL Pro Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident tackling similar problems. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AY's Maths channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Thank you for watching.